First, what are conditional sentences? Conditional sentences are used to speculate about what could happen, what might have happened, and what we wish would happen. In English, most sentences using the conditional contain the word if. In all cases, these sentences are made up of an if clause and a main clause. So here it is obviously quite clear that conditional sentences are based on imaginations, possibilities, and our wishes. So here I've used the word clause. So clause means a group of words having complete sense, and it requires subject and verb combination. Always remember when we talk about clause, so it has subject and verb combination. On the other hand, if we discuss phrase, so in the phrase we don't have subject and verb combination. That's why phrase doesn't give us complete sense. But clause gives us complete sense, and clause has subject and verb combination. So conditional sentences are based on conditions. It tells us about possibilities, imaginations, unreal situations. So in English we use conditional sentences or if clauses to talk about future possibilities or imaginary situations. The three most common types of conditional sentences are. Okay, now we are going to discuss the types of conditional sentences. So before moving on, the first conditional, I'll just let you know that we have a zero conditional sentence also. What is zero conditional sentence? Zero conditional sentence is, it is used to talk about the things that are always true, like a scientific fact. It means when we have to discuss or when we have to talk about the things or we have to talk about the facts, so we call it zero conditional sentence. The structure would be like if, then present simple, and again present simple. The structure would be if, present simple, and present simple. Example is like if you freeze water, it turns into ice. Look, it starts with if, and you freeze water, simple present, it turns into ice, simple present. And secondly, the most important thing is that it is a fact. It is a fact that if we freeze water, it turns into ice. One more example is if students miss an exam, the teacher fails them. It is also a fact. If you will not attend the classes, then the teacher will fail you in the exam. So it was a zero conditional sentence. Now the structure is if plus simple present and simple present. But if we talk about the first conditional sentences, so here the structure is different, because here if plus simple, then simple, future. Okay, if present simple and future simple we use, the usage is, the function is to talk about possibilities in the present or in the future. So it shows the possibility of present time and the future time. So we use the first conditional to talk about things that might happen in the future. The things which are going to be happen in future, we discuss and we show in first conditional sentence. So example is if it rains, I'll stay at home. So here if conditional, then it rains, present simple, I will stay at home, it is also present